Hello everyone, I am Abhigna and today my project is stock market prediction. So I am going to predict the stock prices of the particular market. So first of all, let me show you the output so that you can easily understand what my project says to you. Yeah, this is the output of my project. So in my project, we are going to predict the future market price. So in my project, I take the Facebook. So I am going to predict the Facebook stock market price of tomorrow. So based on past 60 days experience, in the graph you can observe that this black color line indicates that it is actual Facebook price and this green color line indicates that it is predicted Facebook price. So this is the output of my project. So you can observe how it can predict, and in last you can observe predicted price. So here you can see predicted price of this project of Facebook stock is 309.14. So this is the output of my project. So let me show you the what are the libraries we have imported, etc. So coming to abstract and goals, the main objective of the project is to implement the artificial recurrent neural network architecture, and it predicts the stock price to calculate. So it takes the past previous data and it will calculate the future data. And coming to stock market, I want to explain what is stock market. Stock market means it is where individual or institutions come together and invest. They buy and sell the shares. So coming to what is stock, stock is nothing but it is an equity, like it is like security which represents the ownership. And coming to share is nothing but it is a percentage of ownership in a company. For example, if a company uses some 1 crore shares and an investor buys 10,000 shares, then the investor owns some 0.01% of the company. So this project aims uh, determines the future movement of the stock price, and the advantage of the this project is to help people and to make good profits. And these are the libraries we used in this I used in this project. So I have used NumPy library, which is a pre-processing package, and Matplotlib library. So it is used to show access or graphs, etc. And I have used pandas library, which is used for data manipulation, etc. I use date time library. I can work on date time. And sklearn pre-processing library I have used some to pre-process the data. And min-max scalar library is used to scale the data and keep the data in the range 0 and 1. So TensorFlow library is used. So because of this TensorFlow library, we can predict the data, we can visualize the data, and we can do a number of operations. And Keras is also a part of a TensorFlow library, and it is a deep learning to implement deep learning concepts we can use this. And sequential and dense, these are layers, and by this we can implement these are layers of neural networks. Actually in this project we use a LSTM neural network. So for that these libraries are helpful. And coming to procedure of the project, so I have imported all the necessary libraries, then I have loaded the data into by using data reader method. Then I prepared data, so then I build the data, then prediction of the I want next day prediction stock price, right? So I have loaded test data and I have followed all these steps. So while showing code you can understand easily what I followed. And in this project I have used LSTM neural network technique, which is very powerful technique in prediction. By using this neural network we can implement many things. So in our so in the so first picture graph shows that one line is predicted line and one other line is actual stock price. And second picture is like it is not clear, but I want to explain briefly. So from Yahoo Finance data I am taking the past data about stock prices, etc. Then I will normalize it, I will apply neural network, I will apply dense layer, I will split them, I will I will reduce the complexities of those layers. Then by applying neural network techniques, so we can easily predict the stock price. So let me show you the code and demonstrate how I build this code. So this is the code I have used in my project. So here you can observe that I have imported all the required libraries, and then so these are all I have imported this LSTM neural network libraries too. Then I have loaded the data here. So I have given here company name as FP. So because I want prediction, I want stock price of Facebook company, I have given the date time, and I have given here Yahoo, because Yahoo, from Yahoo Finance data only I am importing all the required data. And here I prepared the data using min scaler, min max scaler. By using this we can scale the data and we can keep the data in the range of 0 to 1. Then I have given here prediction days as a 60, because I am going to predict the next day stock price by using 60 days past day, 60 days prediction data. I mean, I am using past 60 days data to predict the next date, and to keep the data I used here, I kept here to empty list, because the train data will be kept in that. So here I have modeled all those trained data. So here I added sequential method, then LSTM layer I have added, again dropout layer I have added, LSTM layers. So I have added layers by layers, so that, so this is a neural network concept, so we can I added layers by layers, LSTM layer and dropout layer, so to predict the data. And then here to prediction of the next closing value method I have applied here. So here I used some a compilation, and I have used the approaches method to predict the next one. And here I have used to load the data, I given the time, so from where to where I need data and etc, all those things. To find the model accuracy of existing data, I take the data from Yahoo, and here I have given the close value, because I want stock market close value, prediction price of stock market close value. So and then I have applied some techniques like standard deviation, mean techniques, to calculate all those things. Then test data I am going to predict. So I have used for loop, and I have added necessary libraries and mathematical equations here to test the predicted data. Here I used inverse transform method to predict the prices. Now to plot, you see in the output there is a graph, right? So for that graph I have what should be there in x-axis, what should be there in y-axis, and which color should be there. So I have added all those things. So black color is for actual price and green color is for predicted price. So I have given those colors, all those things for the graph. Then to predict the next one day price, so these are the methods. I used array methods, and I have reshaped the real data, and I used inverse transform function to predict the next day. So this was the output. So when you click the run button, it will train all the data. Then see here you will get a prediction. So prediction value of the stock price. So tomorrow's stock price of Facebook is 309.14. So like this you can predict any company's stock price. And this is the graph. Black line indicates that we are black line indicates that actual Facebook price, and predicted Facebook price is green line. So and we can, like this we can predict any price, we can predict the stock market price, so that which might helpful for investors who are investing in the stock market. So this is the aim of our project. Thank you for watching.